last year, nung nagsimula ito lahat, nakita ko na talaga, itong, the way they run things, yung pakiramdam nila, para silang hari eh. Everybody below them, wala na kayo, you are slaves. Kita niyo yung Pilipinas ngayon. Sometimes, I don't even want to believe yung mga sinasabi sa akin ng mga kaibigan ko sa ibang lugar. Luckily for us at Davao City, we have been able to maintain the peace and order and the services na hinahatid ng government namin sa mga constituents namin. But it's really sad to hear other people who are disappointed with what's happening now in the country. But ito rin yung maganda rin. Maging contrast ito, if you truly believe in the governance of Rudy Duterte. May anak pa naman siya dyan, yung kapatid kong babae. Kung gusto niya ipatuloy yung tunay na pagbabago, pilitin natin na tumakbo ito ng 2028.